Welcome! If you want to switch on or off front camera and screen recorder into a Motorola Moto G31, firstly open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button. If you don't have this button here, press to pencil and then scroll down, find this button here, tap and hold and drag to top this button. And for saving your top bar, click back, and when you add screen recorder button here, press. Now click start. When you see this panel, you need to click here on the camera to turn on this option. One more time, on. And now we got our selfie video camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.